Is my lashes going somewhere? Stay there, girl. We're not yet done. Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome. I hope you guys are doing well. It's the time of the month again that we are unboxing our Boxycharm, and this is for August 2020 or 2020. So it's gonna be a quick unboxing. We're just gonna chill, chit chat, and let's get into it. It's so hot, so I'm going to pull my hair. If you're new to Boxycharm, it is a monthly beauty subscription, and they have 3 types of boxes: 25, 39, and 49. If you want to get more Boxycharm dits, I'm going to put all the links down below. Again, this is for our August 2020 Boxycharm, and this is the $25, and this is what I got, and this is our card. I received box number 2. First up, this is Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Concealer. I love this. Like, a little goes a long way. I did a review test a couple of years ago when they first launched this in the market. It's a multitasking concealer. Those lazy days that I don't feel like wearing concealer on top of my foundation, I use this alone. This is retailed for $29. Next up, we have this one from Violet Voss. This is the Violet Voss, and this is the Essentials 2 palette. This one is retailed for $36. We'll see. This is the palette, and oops, oh my, look at that. I don't know if the camera can catch the actual color, but it is beautiful, especially this violet one here. The blue ones are beautiful. I love the story of this palette. It's minimalistic. The shades are universal. You can use this from day all the way to evening event. Let's move on. So, first time I ever had an iconic high-end from Boxycharm. Clarins has been in the market for years. Definitely way before I was born. And this one is the Velvet Lip Perfector, and it is retailed for $26. Press it one more time. There you go. Okay, I hope I don't press it too much, but it give you some tint. This is good for the fall season. Yes, it is velvety. The next product is Minton Body Skin, and this is the Hydra Glow Sleep Serum. It is great for the day with glowing skin, and it is a sleep serum instantly absorbed with triple action hyaluronic acid formula, delivering time release multi-depth hydration for fully hydrated skin and glow. There's a lot of promises in this bottle. We're going to try. You know, I love everything hyaluronic, everything about hydration. I will put a little test. There's a little scent in it, which is not overpowering. It is okay. This one retailed $44.95. Okay, last item from our box, and this one is from Real Her Definer Brow Pencil. This one is certified cruelty-free, paraben-free, waterproof, and vegan. And this baby here is retailed for $16. Okay, and this is the shade that I got. I could wear this. Like, why not? Chocolate. I'm going to touch up my brow. Yeah, it's waxy, but it says here waterproof. We'll see. I'm so excited to use this. Okay, let's wrap this up. The total value for August 2020 is $151.95. Total savings is $126.95. That's huge. All in all, I am happy for my Boxycharm, and I'm looking forward for more. I hope you like our Boxycharm unboxing for this month. Thank you so much, and please let me know in the comments down below if you received the same box. Are we the same? What are your thoughts about your box? Please let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much. I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video.